morning. My name is Wiggle Grant, and I'm the Program Director for GPTC Welding Program. Here at this institution, students can obtain a certificate in either MIG, TIG, stick, flux core, or pipe welding. We also have a diploma. I always recommend a diploma because the diploma covers all those things I just mentioned. For example, in this book here, this is where we complete our stick welding on this machine. Stick welding, also called shielded metal arc welding. Over here is where we do our TIG welding, also known as gas tungsten arc welding. We have some new machines over here for our TIG welding. What is amazing about our TIG welding on these machines, you're able to weld stainless steel and aluminum. Basically, students will have two skills in TIG welding, completing that program, whether in a certificate or in the diploma program. In front of me, we have this machine here. This is our big shear. Students will have the opportunity to learn how to operate this shear in the introduction and throughout the entire program. Because welding is not merely just welding, students also need to know how to fabricate as well and operate equipment like this and others. Across here, this is what you learn in the beginning. Your oxyfuel cutting along with introduction to welding. You learn the oxyfuel cutting torch, you have your plasma cutting. This one is a little easier. A lot of students tend to try to jump on this. However, we always insist on them mastering this torch because this is really important to use out in the field. The plasma cutter, you will use that in the shop because you need your compressed air in order to operate this machine. So therefore, you're not going to use it out in the field. That's just for a shop. So these are things we will explain to you. I mentioned fabrication earlier. We have a drill press here, so you know how to operate a drill press as well. So it's more than just welding. Pretty much everything you will find in manufacturing is what we offer as well. So when you leave here, you are well prepared for the industry. Over here is where we have our MIG welding that I mentioned earlier. That is gas metal arc welding. So these are the machines. I don't know if you've noticed, we have different types of machine. We always recommend students using different types of machine because we don't want you to leave here and become a one-trick pony. So we always recommend using different types of machine. You have the Miller and you have the Lincoln as well. I mentioned the flux core arc welding. These machines will use the flux core as well. One thing we do is just change the wire out. It is similar to the MIG process, but it is used for if you want to go to the shipyard. It's more of a structural work. Welding material at least about 1 inch 3/8 to 1 inch thick. So, like I said, this section where we do all the MIG, we just change it out for flux core arc welding. So that is good morning. That's it.